Hello, it's Dave Dunn here at FastCredit Pro, and in this video we're going to be looking at updating the user credit balances. So we're on the user page and you can see this has a column here for credit balance, and we can update each user here from this page. So we could go add this 100 credits to this user, and we could add 10 credits to this user, and then all we need to do is come over here and go to credit update and hit apply. Okay, so that's going to refresh, and you can see these credits have been updated on these users. If there's no credits there, it's not going to bother. If there's a credit balance already there, it's just going to keep it as the same. Right, so this is how we update in bulk on this page, but we can also edit each user individually. So if we edit this user here, so if we come down and you can see this total credits amount, we can obviously adjust this from here as well. So we just go and save that, update the user, and then you can see that user's been updated. So basically those are the two main ways inside the site, but we can also update user credit balances over the API, and there's a separate video that goes into detail on that, and you can even update from a Google Sheet. So if you're enjoying this video and you're enjoying the content that we're providing here on YouTube and the plugins that we're putting out, just give us a quick like, subscribe and share and all that stuff, because it's going to help us grow this channel. We're at a very early stage at this point, so I'm just making this little call out here. I'm going to stick in all the videos that you're probably going to see, just to keep reminding you. And also, if you got a comment, leave a comment, and if you got requests for videos, let us know as well, so that we can kind of just keep on top of stuff and just bring you stuff that you want to know. Anyway, I look forward to connecting. Any questions, let me know, and chat soon.